Well, we're about to change the computer, the PCM, right there, and Sin City KK 2012 Jeep Liberty. Of course, the first thing we got to do, disconnect negative terminal of the battery. Now, to drain the residual electricity from the computer and the capacitor that's holding the charge, battery's disconnected. We turn the ignition a couple times, along with turning the lights on a couple times. So they say that'll do it. So here goes nothing. Undo the clips. Push down the black tab. As you can see, the plugs are all color coded to match, so not even a dipshit idiot can fuck it up. Okay, refurbished computer going back in. Slide it over the plastic tab that I just broke the tip off. And back in the screws. Bolts are tightened, green to green, white to white, orange to orange, black to black. Clips back in, should be good to go. Negative battery cable tightens back up. And hopefully it starts. And the moment of truth. Trying to start it with the new computer. Oh yes, the sound of pure joy. I guess I did it right.